Hey everybody, it's Shane here, coming to you live from the workroom at Junktique. I'm working on a chest of drawers, and I just started clear waxing it. And it blew my mind how much the wax alone is changing the finish of the natural wood. So much so that I was like, I should make a live of that, because saying it is one thing and then showing it and you can actually see it happen is a whole nother thing. So let me flick this around. So this is an old 1930s, 1940s chest of drawers, and I've added some paint detail to it. But what I want you to look at, because I'm not ready for the full reveal, is this versus this. This has got clear wax on it. In fact, I only did half of it. So this piece, this beautiful dark piece, that's got some kind of sheen. You see my hand reflection there? That has a very thin layer of clear wax on it. And then you have this side that has none. You can literally see right there where the clear wax stops. So if I can get this stand set up right, I'll show you guys. So what I have here is Annie Sloan Clear Wax and a random old chip brush, as well as a blue shop towel to wipe off my excess. This is nothing fancy. It's literally a Scott's blue shop towel. So I'm going to get a little bit of wax on my brush, and a little bit means a little bit. Just a little bit. And let's see if maybe you should get closer. Let's get closer. Alright. All I'm going to do is brush it on and kind of rub it in. You can see already how much darker it's making it. What's happening is adding moisture back to this wood. And as you can see, just a little bit of clear wax goes a really, really, really long way. Now, I could have left it dried out. Honestly, I could have. I didn't mind the look of it. But if it's dried out, it's not in good condition. And I needed to seal everywhere that I've done with paint. So here and all of these things. Just rubbing it in. Making sure I get around this handle real good. I'm going to take my blue shop towel, and I'm just going to come through and wipe off everything that didn't soak in. I'm not scrubbing it. This isn't really taking any kind of elbow grease. I'm just rubbing it off. And if you've just tuned in, wait till I pull the camera back out and you'll see the difference. It's pretty nuts. Oop, gotta get this wax off the side. I'm gonna rub that just a little bit more. Give it a very mild sheen. Which will be nice with these really old glass knobs, which I'm looking at close up. I need to take those off and clean them. They're pretty bad. Anyways. Alright, so that one drawer. This has got clear wax on it. This does not. It's nuts, because on this camera, it's kind of washing it out a bit, but the difference is nuts. Let me see if I turn this. Yeah, that's a better view. Do you see the difference? Clear wax, no clear wax. Clear wax, no clear wax. I'll do it one more time for those of you just popping on. So we've got Annie Sloan Clear Wax. Gonna get a little bit on my brush. Again, when I say a little bit, I really do mean a little bit. And we're just gonna scrub that on. You can see right away how much darker that is. That's gonna stay like that. That's not gonna go away. That's what we're doing. I just got a little bit more clear wax. Annie's wax brushes are much easier to use, but I'm not gonna lie, my clear wax, Annie Sloan wax brush is dirty. So I'm just using a regular random old chip brush. But if I was using the actual wax brush, this would go by just a little bit quicker. Wipe off that excess that went up here. We actually apply some up here. I don't think I've seen a piece this dry in a very long time. It's nuts to me how people do not care for their stuff. Alright, so again, clear wax. No clear wax. Oh, stupid stand makes this a little harder than it should be. Clear wax. This piece has no clear wax. I wish I could face... Oh, interruption. So like I was saying, these two have clear wax. This bottom one, no clear wax. No clear wax. No clear wax. Clear wax. Well, that's everything. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.